Owayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma usaqhubeka nemizamo yakhe yokushushisa umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
President Zuma intends to, in fact, will oppose this irrational interdict. The only challenge now is that President Zuma is trying to find his lawyers. His lawyers are on holiday. We can't get hold of them. I mean, President Ramaphosa had all the time before Christmas to do what he's doing now.
Emaphepheni ahanjiswe enkantolo uRamaphosa uthi isitifiketi lapho iNPA inqaba ukushushisa icala elithile isona esidingekayo ngaphambi kokuthi umuntu ethathe isinqumo sokushushisa icala ngokwakhe. Umengameli uthi asikaze sikhishwe lesitifiketi ecaleni elithinta yena, yingakho esola owayengumengameli wezwe uZuma ngokusebenzisa umthetho ngendlela engafanele. iJacob Zuma Foundation isola iNPA ngokungabi neqiniso kulolu daba.
We want to put it on record that the NPA lied. The NPA misled the public. The NPA said President Ramaphosa is not mentioned in the docket when he is mentioned. So that so-called clarification that they issued, it's actually not worth even the paper it's written on.
Kusenjalo umhlaziyi wezomthetho uBenedict Phiri uthi ithimba labameli bakaZuma lenza konke okusemandleni ukubalekela amacala abhekene nawo.
One, a strategy to stay out of jail on the medical parole aspect. There's two, a political strategy insofar as just his political ambitions are concerned. And three, there's a strategy relating to his corruption trial. So I think what his lawyers are doing is essentially bringing legal proceedings to give effect to, Mr. Zuma's goals in respect of each of those three legs.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli lithi ngeke liphawule ngalolu daba kwamanje.